Hello everyone, this is David Race Wilson. It's been a while since I posted on my channel. I've gotten some days off and I'm chilling right here in what I choose to call the greenhouse or the glass house in my apartment complex. That's Seasons Avenue, Adong. I think it's about time I show you around my apartment. Let me switch this. So yes, this glass house is right over the outdoor pool, which I'll be showing you in a bit. It's winter time. Today it's a bit sunny, which I love it because it's been cold for the past couple of days. So that's the outdoor pool there. So yes, I think it's about time I show you around my apartment. Let's go, guys. All right, so guys, welcome back. Let me show you around my apartment. I'm still on the 5th floor where the outdoor pool is, and you can see on the screen how beautiful the pool is. It's winter time right now, so the outdoor pool is not being used. I'll show you the indoor pool in a bit where it is currently being used for the season. And this place is quite very beautiful. This is I think this is S1. Yes, we have the S1 building, which is the green color. We have the S2, which is yellow, S3, which is red, and then S4, where I live, which is 4. I'll be showing that place in a bit. But this is the outdoor pool on the 5th floor of Seasons Avenue, Hanoi. This place is quite beautiful. And this right here is like a kids area where kids do play, or even adults do come and do some exercises or gymnastic stuff. Those who are interested. I don't normally play here, so that's it. I'm still on the 5th floor. Show you around. So yeah, that's the pool right there. That's the outdoor pool right there. Quite very beautiful scene. An apartment right in front of me, that's Mulberry Lane. So we are like neighbors. Seasons Avenue and Mulberry. We are neighbors. So yeah, right now let me go downstairs to the 1st floor and then show you the indoor pool and then maybe the gym. Then I'll climb up to my apartment, which is on the 33rd floor of S4. So I'll be showing you in a bit. All right, so right now I'm on the 1st floor. This is the entrance to S4, my building. This is the entrance to S4. We'll be going up a bit and I'll show you around my apartment. But this is the 1st floor. We have some couches and then some seats here. You can see the Christmas tree because we are in the Christmas season. And this beautiful thing and this nice barbecue areas right there. And I don't want to bother you guys with that. Let me show you the gym. And then we'll go to the indoor pool. So let me walk right away to the gym. All right, so this is the gym. Get to exercise here, and the gym membership fees, I think it's paid monthly. It is 110K. I'll be doing the conversion on the screen into dollars for you to know exactly how much you need to pay in order to use the gym. So this is pretty much the gym. I don't visit the gym. I'm too lazy to do that. I just swim. All right, so but I think I get to check my weight every time. Let me check my weight today. There you go. This is it. Very nice gym area. So many equipment here. Quite a number of equipment here for you to use. So, anybody who is interested, people normally come to the gym around 4 p.m., 5 p.m. after work. Like I said, I don't visit the gym, so yeah. This is the gym. Quite a very beautiful place. Yeah. So yeah. Next stop, we're going to the indoor pool. See you guys in a bit. Yeah, so this is the outdoor pool. As you can see, there's nobody in the pool right now. This place is quite very beautiful. I really enjoy swimming in the. Sorry, I said outdoor. This is the indoor pool. This is the indoor pool. I really enjoy swimming in the indoor pool. I prefer this to the outdoor one because this place is quite chill and it's a 4 seasons pool. It gets heated, so even though we are in winter, we still get to use this. So yeah, I do come here a couple of times. I'm likely to come back here after I finish if I finish this video. So this is the pool guard here. Sinchao. Okay. All right. So next up, let's go up in my apartment. Thank you. So I'm going to take the elevator. I'm going to take the elevator to the 33rd floor. Oh, okay. So this one is here. Okay, so 33rd floor. Yep. There are so many places I could show you around, but I don't want to bother you guys. I mean, like the parking lot, the library, the cinema, but I'm just showing you the apartment. So if you're really interested in getting a room or a 1-bedroom apartment here, you can have all these places to yourself. Yeah, so we're still in the elevator. We are on the 20th floor now. We'll get to the 33rd floor in a bit. Then I show you around. Floor 33. So we are here now. Door open. 33rd floor. Door closed. Open the door to my room. I'll show you my apartment. So look at the door opened. So this is my apartment. So this is where we get to remove our shoes and then slippers. So this is where it's like a small area for shoes and then slippers. So this is where I pack my stuff. I mean my wares. So this is my shoes. So first up, let me show you the kitchen. The kitchen is not that much. It's pretty standard. So we have this inductor stove here, works fine. We have the microwave, the rice cooker, the sink. Right in this corner we have the washing machine and then a little dry line, and that's my trash can. So that's pretty much everything in the kitchen area. Oh, we have some cabinets here for storage of utensils and then some food stuff if you like. And oh, there is the fridge here. So that's pretty much everything in the kitchen. So that's it. This is the kitchen. Right in front of you, we have the dining area, which obviously you can see on the screen. We don't use this thing very much for eating. I choose to use this place as my little workstation. You can see my laptop here. So I do work here when I have to, when I'm home. So this is my little work area. So yeah, this is my work, and I have this little guitar here. Yeah, so that's the dining area. And this is the living room. The living room, you have this comfortable couch. You have this comfortable couch. And then, yeah, it's quite a spacious place. You know, the air conditioner. So this is the living area, the living room. The TV, quite huge. We do watch Netflix and everything. So yeah, so that's the living area. Let me come this way and then show you. So this is the whole living area, as you can see. So yeah, it's the whole living area. And oh, to the balcony, one of my favorite places in the apartment. The view here is dope. Guys, this place is very beautiful. Overlooking the lake, and then the buildings here. Sometimes I get to look at the street to check if there's traffic, and then decide to use which part of the road. And it's quite convenient checking traffic from your balcony. This place is very, very beautiful. So yes, this is the balcony, and that's it. And this apartment has 3 air conditioners, one in each of the bedrooms and one in the living room. So to your right, this is my flatmate's bedroom. He's gone for holidays in Phuket. He's not yet back. But the bathroom is in his bedroom, and I'll show you mine in a bit. So this door right here is my bedroom, and this door leads to the washroom in my bedroom. But I have permanently locked this because everybody wants privacy. So when we have friends around, they get to go to my bathroom if they want to use it, or my flatmate's bathroom if that place is available. But I don't open this door, they go through my bedroom. So let me show you the bedroom. So yeah, this is the bedroom. Pretty okay for me. Not much, but it's quite okay. The bed is very comfortable, very big king size bed, and you have this controllers and then headphones on the bed. And this is my wardrobe where I keep my clothes and what have you. Yes, there is an air conditioner here in the bedroom. And this is the bathroom, which has the shower and then the toilet. And that's a very big mirror right there. So this is the bathroom, this is the toilet and the bath. So yes, and one thing I also like about this bedroom is, you can see the pictures on the wall. Very nice, very beautiful. Very mountainous and a forest picture right there. But one thing I like about this bedroom is that right on the bed, you get to see this beautiful scene like I showed you from the balcony in the hall. And, it's very, very beautiful. It's very soothing. A friend of mine described this scene as orgasmic, which... Anyway, all right, so this is my bedroom. Yeah, so this is pretty much everything there is to show in my apartment. So if you're wondering how much this place costs, this place, we pay 13 million VND. I'll do the conversion into dollars on the screen right now. So we pay 30 million VND for this apartment, and we do pay about 950k VND for maintenance and water, and then the electric bills do vary. The electricity varies, but it ranges from 900 to 1.5 million. And we have a Wi-Fi here. We pay let me show you the Wi-Fi. So yeah, this is the Wi-Fi router here. We do pay 350k every month for unlimited Wi-Fi, and it is very, very fast. That's a high-speed Wi-Fi over there for internet. So I'll do all the calculation as to how much we pay to be here. To use the indoor pool, you get to pay 220k per month. To use the outdoor pool, we pay 110k. Same as if you want to use the gym, you pay 110k per month to use the gym. And that's pretty much everything that we spend in this 2-bedroom apartment. So the total amount will be calculated on your screen right now, and you know how much we pay to stay here in this apartment. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I promise, no, I don't want to make any promises again, but I hope this time around I'll be posting videos as often as I can. Thank you very much. If you've not subscribed already, kindly subscribe so that you get to be notified whenever I post any video. Thank you very much, guys. Peace out. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Bye-bye.